In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your bills in QuickBooks. Whether you're just getting started or need a refresher, this guide will walk you through every step you need to know to delete a bill easily. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to QuickBooks. Open your preferred web browser and head over to qbo.intuit.com. This is where the magic happens, and having a stable internet connection will ensure a smooth process. Once on the home page, you should see a few options available to explore. But today, we're focusing on bills, so let's get straight to that section. Next, locate and click on the Bills option. It's typically found in the main navigation bar. Clicking here will take you to the heart of your bill management system. This is where all your bills are listed. Think of it as your bill command center, where you can track what you owe to whom and when payments are due. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. This can really help you down the line when you're managing your finances. Now, the next step is crucial if you want to delete a bill. Find the drop-down box, which is usually located next to the bill you wish to delete. This drop-down menu contains several options for managing the bill. Once you've located it, click on this drop-down menu. It's like unlocking the treasure chest of actions you can take on your selected bill. As we move forward, you'll need to select the Delete Bill option from the drop-down menu. This step is irreversible, so it's always a good practice to double-check that you're deleting the correct bill. Take a second to ensure that all the details match what you're intending to remove. The last thing you want is mistakenly deleting something crucial due to a mix-up with numbers or names. Once you've verified that you have the right bill, confirm your action by clicking Delete Bill. With just this simple click, the bill will be removed. Congratulations! You've successfully managed and tidied up a part of your finances. Remember, organizing your bills this way not only keeps your accounting clean, but also minimizes the chances of errors in your bookkeeping. In the end, managing bills in QuickBooks can be as straightforward as following these few steps. With consistent practice, navigating through these actions will become second nature, ensuring your books are always in order and up to date. Feel free to explore more functionalities within QuickBooks to continue honing your financial management skills. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using QuickBooks and enhancing your financial prowess.